baby. Time to get Avery here on the iPhone. Yes, it is. It's almost a year. It's overdue.
Do it again. I rolled the ball into Christy. She rolled it back to me. I rolled the ball into Christy. She rolled it back to me. Isn't she cute? You know the big girls are working hard over there. You're really cramping their style.
Like my earrings. Don't pull them too hard. Do you like my earrings? Oh, don't pull them. Don't pull them. Do you like my earrings? Oh, don't.